Okay, we're ready on page 15 for the letter E. Here's our printing E, and here's our E in cursive. Look, it says name that letter. It's E. This one looks a little different, huh? Okay, so we're going to start at the bottom, and it's like a little tiny L. We're going to start at the bottom, we're going to go around, and we're going to bump at the top, and we're going to go up, and we're going to turn, and then after we turn, we're going to go travel up, turn, back, down. Okay, let's zoom in a little bit on this one, and we'll give it a try. Let's trace to get the practice for the letter E. Goes up and down, up and down, up and down. I'm going to try to work on getting my E's a little bit connecting closer to the bottom. So I'm going to trace to get it in my head. There we go. And then up and down, up and down. Trace again to get that practice, to get that hand movement, and around. Every cursive book I see does a little bit different. There's your E. And that's okay. As you get older and you have more practice, you'll get to create your own style with it a little bit. Right now we want to make sure we're going just the same as they do. Whoops. Okay, let's try again without the model. They're so tiny, I can fit a lot of those into the line. Look through and pick your favorite one. I think this one right here, I did a really good job going around, getting right back to the line at the bottom. So everybody circle your favorite one. And then let's try some words using the lowercase e together. Now this one says E-A-C-H, each. So we'll try it down here, E, and then we go up and around, A, C, we want to try to hit the lines, and then the H goes above those lines. I always do a little curl over here, each. Oh, this one's going to use a lot of E's. It says T-E-E-P-E-E, teepee. So we'll start, go up a tall, E, E, up, down, trace back around for our P we just learned, E, E. Oh, that was fun. Cross your T. Our next one is page. Okay, P-A-G-E. We're halfway done with this page. P, around and up and over, around and over, and then we're going to come down and up. Page. If that G was tricky, you might want to try tracing this one again to get that flow and that movement in your head. I promise the more you practice this, the faster it gets. And not only does it look really nice, it can save you time once you get good at it. This says ETC, period. It's a shortcut for the word etc., which means so on and so on. ETC. I finish the word, cross my T, and then I'll put my little period there. Okay, you guys are going fast on this page. Look at it. Okay, here we have our capital E in printing and our capital E in cursive. You can see the cursive one is just a little rounder. It almost looks like a backwards 3, huh? Okay, so we're going to start and we'll make a C in the air. And then we're just going to trace back a little bit and make another C. 2 C's right on top of each other, almost like part of a snowman. Let's try it. C, C. Whoa, that one was flying. So I really need to work on staying on my line there. Let's trace it. C, C. You notice we don't have to worry about being perfect. Perfect takes practice. What we're doing is practicing, checking how we're doing, and growing our brain. E. Nice and round. I'm going to try one more because I didn't. Ah, there we go. I like that one a lot. I think of all of mine, that one was my favorite. Look through your E's and find your favorite one. And then today we have another sentence to try. Ella fed the cheetah. We've learned all these letters, so now we're going to put it together. It looks on this like on this one, when we go from our E to our L, we can just keep that so that they are touching. E, L, L, A. Ella fed. Again, if that F is a little hard, you can go back up and trace it before you start to get that practice. The, T-H-E, let's try it. T goes up, trace back down, H goes just as high, around, there's my E, and I bump out ready for my next one, then I cross my T. Ella fed the cheetah. C-H, I'm going to trace it. This one's long, H, E, E, T, A, H. Okay, now that I practice, I'm ready. C is going to start at the top. H is going to trace up and back down. E, E, T, A, H. Then I'm going to cross that T. I made my little hook there a little crazy big. Period at the end. Ella fed the cheetah. You guys are all done. It was a quick cursive lesson today. Have a great week, and I'll see you next week for cursive.